Hello guys, today in this video we will go to discuss about transmission of virus. Transmission of virus means how many type of virus is present in environment and how they transmitted from one organism to another organism. We will discuss in detail about transmission of virus. Let's start this video. Virus may be spread vertically from mother to child. Okay, as we know that there are different kind of viral disease in plant as well as animal, spreaded from mother to child or horizontally from person to person. As we know that influenza virus is transmitted from person to person. Virus is ability to spread depend upon makeup of virus. Virus means how the virus is spread from one organism to another organism is depend upon their structure. As we know that gram positive bacteria, gram negative bacteria, and there are so many type of bacteria, and their transmission is also depend upon their body structure. As we know that some virus can spread by simply contact, exchange of saliva, coughing or sneezing. Some require sexual contact while other go through the oral facial route via contaminated food or water. Still other viruses require an insect like mosquito to carry the viruses from person to person. Some common method of transmission of plant and viruses are given as below. As we know that there are different kind of viruses and their transmission is also depend upon their structure, and there are so many viruses which is spread through only exchanging of our body fluid like saliva, coughing or sneezing. Some virus require sexual contact. As we know that HIV is the most common example of the sexual contact diseases, sexual contact spreading viruses, and while other are through oral or fecal route. As we know that virus contaminated food or water. Okay, some viruses are spread from one organism to other organism by food or contaminated water. I hope you know that there are so many diseases which transfer from one organism to other organism through water or food. Still virus required insect like mosquito. As we know that there are so many viruses which are transmitted from one organism to another organism by mosquito viruses from person to person. Some common method of transmission of virus are given as below. There are so many examples we will discuss in detail in next video. If we will try to discuss all those things in one video, then video become very large, and after the time you feel very boring about this video. So let's start the transmission by vegetative propagation. Plant which propagate vegetatively once infected with a virus disease transmission the pathogen through. As we know that vegetative propagation means as like vegetative reproduction. You know that we cut the plant body and we grown that in different place, means vegetative propagation. Plant which propagate vegetative propagation, you learn in your next classes, as I am sure about that. Once infected with a virus disease transmitted the pathogen one generation to next generation. Eventually the entire population of a given clonal variety may become infected with the same pathogen. Virus may be transmitted by tuber, comb, bud, grafting and cutting. As we know that in grafting operated, there is a contact between stalk and scions, and it is either these carried a viruses. It may be transmitted to the other host. Transmission of potato spindle tuber viride take place through the tuber. Okay, and that cutted disease through bulb. As we know that bulb in plant, if you don't know about this basic concept, please comment comment below on this video, and we will discuss about these basic words in detail in one video. As we know that we cut the plant body and we grow a new plant through vegetative propagation. And there are so many part of plant body which is used for vegetative propagation, as we know that tubers have comb and bulbs, grafting, cutting. That if the plant are infected by any diseases, the disease are transmitted from one generation to another generation, and the disease are transmitted in whole world, as we know that. The second method of transmission of viruses, that is transmission by friction and rubbing. Friction means रगड़ लगने के बाद, as we know that. In nature, when leaves are closely growing, infected plant and healthy plant rub together, the healthy plant get infected. Even a gentle rubbing with no obvious damage is enough for transmission of the virus. Virus are also transmitted by contact of infected leaf with clothes of man and bodies of animal. Potato virus disease, as we know that, tobacco, mosaic virus, and many other are transmitted by viruses. We will discuss about these viral disease in detail in our master classes in BSc and MSc. Some viruses, some viral and some bacterial disease are mentioned in our syllabus. We will discuss in detail. Please comment on comment box if you need any topic. Please comment. Transmission by friction and rubbing, as we know that the plant are very closely developed, and by wind, by animal, there are so many factors which are responsible for rubbing of one plant to another plant. There is one plant which is infected by viruses, and some plant are healthy. They rub together and the disease are transmitted from one plant to another plant. There are man and animal also the factor for transmission of viruses. The next thing is transmission through alternative host. Virus causing yellow vein mosaic of bhindi and cucurbite mosaic disease by transmission through alternate or collateral host. And the next thing is transmission through soil and seed. If the soil are infected by any disease, the seed are grow in that soil, the disease is transmitted from seed to soil to seed, and then in plant. And if seed are infected by any disease, the disease are transmitted in plant. As we know that if seed are infected, the plant is generally infected by disease. A virus which spread through undergoing natural method are called soil-borne viruses. The tobacco mosaic virus remain in the field after harvesting on debris, and it infected the crop. In the next season, the virus enter the host through root by mechanical or biological method. Although more than 100 seed-borne viruses are known, and virus-infected seed are not equally infected in transmitting the disease. Bean mosaic virus, barley split mosaic virus, curly top virus are beet sugarcane, and ring spot virus of soybean and transmitted through seeds. So please learn about these examples, because you get full mark in your examination if you mentioned about this example. Besides, while nematodes are also known as transmitted virus, the virus get attached to the style or to the gut of the nematode when they feed on an infected plant and transmitted to the healthy plant. When the nematode feed on these tobacco ring spot viruses and tobacco rattle viruses are known to be transmitted by nematodes. However, there is no evidence to suggest that virus replicated in the nematode. तो इसके बारे में हो गया. अब हम लोग देखते हैं ट्रांसमिशन थ्रू पोलन ग्रेन. इन फ्लावर ऑफ हेल्थी प्लांट द पोलिनेटेड विथ द पोलन फ्रॉम इन्फेक्टेड प्लांट. दे प्रोड्यूस सीड विच हैव वायरस इन्फेक्शन. सच a seed on the germination give rise to infected plant. Stone fruit ring spot bean mosaic virus